Welcome back, folks. Today, we're making crispy, juicy chicken cutlets that are packed with flavor and perfect to impress your guests. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of shredded chicken. Boil 50 grams of green peas and 2 medium-sized potatoes. Take 2 medium onions and fry them until golden brown to make Birista. Now add the boiled peas, mashed potatoes to the shredded chicken. Mix in some breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of cornflour for binding. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, garam masala, black pepper, and chaat masala. Take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and add salt as per taste. Finish with a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well by spraying some water and keep it ready for shaping. Now, take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into a round cutlet, not too thin and not too thick. Lightly grease your palms with oil or water so the mixture doesn't stick. Once shaped, dip the cutlets into a cornflour paste, then coat them in breadcrumbs. Make sure the breadcrumbs are coated well. That's what gives the cutlets their rich crunch. Fry the cutlets over a gentle flame. Avoid high heat and allow them to cook evenly to perfection. Avoid flipping too frequently, as the cutlets may break. Once both sides turn golden brown, take the cutlets off the pan. Your crisp, golden cutlets are ready to be savored. Garnish with fresh coriander and a delicate sprinkle of chaat masala, and serve with a side of ketchup. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do follow for more, and I'll see you in the next one.